Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen from the title, today is going to be the Body Shop Advent Calendar 2019 unboxing, and I'm very excited about it. If you don't know, the Body Shop have launched 3 advent calendars this year, very much the same as last year, and I did unbox it last year. I'll put the video up here where I did the big mega one. I can't remember what it was called, but it basically had a big fox on it. It was green, it was amazing. I'm still using the products now, and it was totally worth the money and I really enjoyed it. I was really excited to learn that this year they were also going to bring out 3, and I'm going to talk about the idea behind them, and I'm going to be unboxing the mid-range one, which is the one that I've been gifted very kindly from the Body Shop. If you've been on the website to have a look at the advents this year, then you'll notice that I'm actually on the advert, which is crazy. They chose 2 creators to appear, myself and Eltoria. If you like your advent calendar unboxings, then you've more than likely come across Eltoria before, because she unboxes a lot of calendars. I think she's even brought out her own, although I don't really know too much about it. But yes, they chose 2, one myself and one Eltoria, and it was so exciting to feature. I just felt so proud. So if you haven't seen that, I'll put the link to where you can go and check it out in the description box down below. But for now, I'm going to be unboxing the mid-range one, which is kind of like the in-between. So it's not quite as big as the McDaddy massive one, but it's not as small as the number 1. It's somewhere in the middle, a nice happy medium. Last year we had the woodland animals. It was very pretty, it's very nature inspired. This year they've come at it at a different angle. It's all about feminism. It's all about encouraging young girls and young women to embrace roles that traditionally have not been assigned to us. But I think that they really wanted to reinforce that message of feminism, to reinforce the message to dream big, do whatever you want to do, no matter what it means, no matter who it's allegedly supposed to be aimed at. You can do whatever you want, no matter where you come from. So I think that is a really lovely message. And even though it is aimed as women, it's aimed at girls, it's aimed to the females, I think it's important not to forget the guys in this, because a lot of guys support feminism and a lot of guys do support women doing really masculine orientated roles. Like my husband would never dream of telling my daughter Layla that she couldn't be an astronaut if she wanted to. So I feel like this calendar is for everybody, no matter who you are, where you come from, what you want to do. Dream big, no matter who you are and no matter if you're a guy or a girl. Just everybody dream big. I think that is the message that I would personally want to spread. So as you can see, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's massive. I have it sat on a little table here because it's literally too heavy for me to keep lifting up. But it's got a very, very beautiful illustration on there. Very Christmassy, very traditional, but also quite modern as well. The illustrator that has worked on this is a genius. I absolutely love it. I love the colours. I love how warm it feels. It just feels like the high street when you're shopping and you're walking along with the snow. And I love this Santa on a rocket, this Lady Santa. I think it's gorgeous. And I also love the fact that all of these windows have something in here which I think is really special. Like this one here has what looks to be 2 dads with their daughter, and I think it's a really lovely message that families come in all shapes and sizes, and it's just lovely to see that promoted on an advent calendar. I think it's really, really special. So the advent opens up like this, so it's 2 major doors that kind of just flap open, and I'm just gonna get started and unbox each one for you, so I hope you all enjoy it. Box number 1 is just here, and each box is beautifully wrapped, beautifully packaged, and I love this one in particular because again it has that female astronaut on there, which is so nice. And they all have a little inscription or fact or quote on each box as well. So this one is French-Polish scientist Marie Curie. Pioneering research on radioactivity led to her becoming the first woman to win the Nobel Prize and the first person to win twice for 2 different sciences, which I think is incredible. And product number 1 is something that's very, very familiar to me. I actually have a few of these now, and it is the Rosy Dewy Glow Facial Mist, and it's basically a rose-scented facial mist that gives your skin a hit of hydration, it gives it glow, it wakes everything up, it makes your makeup last longer, look more crisp, and yeah, I really enjoy this. A dinky little box for number 2. And this one says Agatha Christie is the best-selling novelist of all time with over 2 billion books sold worldwide. And the next product we have is a mango bath bomb. Even though I do prefer my warmer scents for the autumn and winter, I do like the mango scent, and I will use this bath bomb. I really do like them. They fizz away in the water, create bubbles and create a gorgeous scent. Box number 3 is actually one of my favourites, and it's this little soldier, this female soldier on here, which is really lovely actually. And this one says Emmeline Pankhurst founded the Women's Social and Political Union in 1903, becoming the leader of the British suffragette movement. Oh, I think this is a new scent, and it's the Juicy Pear Shower Gel. I am running so low on my shower gel. That that smells delicious. If you like the smell of pear, very authentic, not too sweet, quite a sharp scent actually, which I really do enjoy. So I'm looking forward to using that for sure. Gifted mathematician Ada Lovelace is considered the world's first computer programmer. A nail file. I'm not gonna lie, I don't use nail files that often, but I can give this super easily, a stocking filler, give it to my mum. And this is kind of like a wedge shape, which is really nice. It has this gorgeous Christmas tree on there as well. And this one says, civil rights activist Tarana Burke founded the Me Too movement in 2006. She was among Silence Breakers group of activists named the Time Person of this year in 2017. The chamomile gentle makeup eye remover. So this is fantastic. I've been using this for years and years and years, and I never get tired of it. So number 6 is really exciting because it's quite big actually, and it's the female Santa. It says here, Japanese mountaineer Junko Tabei, sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, was the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest, as well as completing the 7 summits. She believed willpower was the most important factor in reaching the top. And this is the strawberry clearly glossing shampoo. It smells amazing. It just smells like strawberries, guys. It's so delicious smelling. But what I love about the Body Shop scents is the fact that they don't smell artificial. They actually smell really genuinely quite nice. Like the pear one was quite bitter, not too sweet, which I really do like. So yeah, number 7 is just down here. And on the side it says, the scientist Rosalind Franklin was crucial in the discovery of the true structure of DNA. The Fuji green tea body butter. I really like the green tea range. I have quite a few of the products from that. The scent is really nice and fresh, nice and clean. So door number 8, I've had to put it down, guys, because it's really difficult to hold it up. But door number 8 is one of my favourite doors actually, and there's a little boy on here wearing a pink tutu, which I think is such an important message to share, because I read an article recently where I think it was Prince George was, I think, mocked by someone. I can't remember who it was. I think I read it on Sky News for loving dance, which I think is crazy. Boys and girls alike should be encouraged to dance. Anybody should be encouraged to dance, and I think it's a really sweet and lovely message for the Body Shop to put on here to support any guys out there that are feeling less confident or more anxious about dancing and their love of dance and their love to express themselves through arts and things like that. So that is great. I love that, and I think again it's my favourite door, even though it's not one of the girls on there. I feel like we have to do it for everyone, you know what I mean? And this one says, American tennis player Thea Gibson, I think it is, became the first African American to win a Grand Slam title in 1956. A year later, she was the first black competitor at Wimbledon. A British Rose shower gel, which is one of my favourite scents. I really like the scent of rose. Number 9 is right next to it, which is super convenient because it's been a struggle, guys, finding each one. And it's a nice long package, and this is my girl. Okay, J.K. Rowling was the first author to make $1 billion selling over 400 million Harry Potter books worldwide. And I can tell you that probably about half of that is being my family, because we absolutely adore Harry Potter. Like, we were the kind of people that would be out clubbing and then we would go from the club to the midnight launch at W.H. Smith, like in some cases drunk. So that's how committed we were, and then we'd stay up all night with our takeaway kebab and read Harry Potter and be done by the evening of the next day. And this is a hand cream, and it's the warm vanilla scent, which I don't think I've smelt before. Oh god, that's gorgeous. They melt into the skin really easily, but they're not sticky, so they don't impact on your driving or your touching things and things like that. And that is a gorgeous scent. I found number 10 already, which is lucky, and it's a really cute triangular package. Playing Monopoly this Christmas. This game was invented by designer, writer, engineer and feminist Lizzie Magie in 1903. Wow, she was super busy. And Monopoly is one of myself and my family's favourite games, although we do get quite competitive. And we have a loofah. I'm not stoked about getting loofahs and advent calendars, but you're always gonna need a loofah. American actress Laverne Cox is the first openly transgender person to be on the cover of Time magazine and be nominated for a Primetime Emmy Award for acting. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This is the Aloe Calm Sheet Mask. I really like sheet masks. So 15-minute mask that leaves your skin feeling soft, hydrated and settled. 12th day of Christmas always really excites me because that is when the Grinches of the world have to get on board with the rest of us that have been excited since September about Christmas. And it says, nicknamed First Lady of the World, Eleanor Roosevelt was a trailblazer in her support of civil rights and a driving force behind the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And we have a coconut body scrub. Number 13 is conveniently nestled right next to it. And this says, in 2017, Jane Austen replaced Charles Darwin on the British £10 note, more than 200 years since her death. The writer's work is still universally loved. Wouldn't it have been amazing had she lived to see that though? Do you know what I mean? That's such an incredible achievement. I really love that. And we have in here a green tea bath bomb, which again is something that I tried last year, really liked it. And this says, as of January 2016, singer Adele's music for Hello was the fastest ever to reach 1 billion views on YouTube. Wow, that is insane. And this is the strawberry lip butter, which I'm gonna open and give it a sniff. Just smells delicious. 15 is really sweet actually, and it says Girls with Drive, and there's this little motor car on the side. In 2016, Hillary Clinton became a first female candidate from a major party to run for President of the United States. A Himalayan charcoal purifying facial soap. I love the packaging of this, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm a big fan of charcoal masks, charcoal scrubs and that kind of thing for detoxifying the skin and getting rid of any nasties. So I'm really stoked to have a soap because I don't have a charcoal soap. Okay, so number 16 is this really lovely wreath, and on the side this says, the Body Shop founder Dame Anita Roddick took the entire cosmetic industry for her campaigning to ban animal testing. She received Damehood in 2003 for services to the environment and charity. British Rose Instant Glow Body Butter, which I'm so excited about. I haven't tried this. Day 17, it says, have a cracking Christmas. And it says here, as of 2018, Rwanda has the highest representation of women in parliament at 63.8%. I'm learning so much today, guys. Like, it's great because not only do you get amazing products and you smell and look great, you can also learn something as well. And we have another sheet mask, and this is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask, which again I'm very excited to try because I love a good sheet mask. So this is exciting because number 18 is massive. It's a massive box and it has this really lovely rocket and planet inside a parcel, which is really sweet. And it says, author, political activist and suffragette Helen Keller was the first deaf-blind person to achieve a bachelor's degree in 1904. Helen is remembered as a disability activist, and her life story was later adapted into an Oscar-winning film. And we have in here the strawberry clearly glossing conditioner, which is going to be going perfectly with my shampoo. 19 is really sweet because it's this little snowman, which is super cute, and it says Rosa Parks become known as the Mother of Freedom movement in the United States after she refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger in 1955. It's just crazy to me. And we have the white musk, which is ironic, but yeah, the white musk. So number 20 is here, and it is the cutest little doggy reindeer. Is that a sausage dog? I think it is. Don't hate me, I'm not really educated on my dog breeds. But this says Katharine Hepburn holds the record for winning the most Oscars for acting, 4 wins and 12 nominations, which is amazing. And we have another bath bomb, and this is in the Vanilla Delight. Okay, so number 21, and it says, as of 2018, Meryl Streep has received 31 Golden Globe nominations, more than any other actor. I think she's absolutely incredible. Everything she touches just turns to gold. I just love her so much, so I'm so happy to learn that. And this is the pink grapefruit hand cream. So this one's really lovely, and the illustration here is a girl playing with a chemistry set, and this says Johanna, I don't know the surname, I'm going to try and pronounce it, Sigurdardóttir, I'm really sorry guys, became the world's first openly gay head of government in 2009 when she was elected Prime Minister of Iceland. And we have in here an aloe soothing day cream. And this one says, in 1963, Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to travel into space. The 26-year-old Russian piloted the Vostok 6 and orbited the Earth 48 times in 3 days. Wow, that is so cool. And in here we have a makeup sponge, which I don't actually have one in my collection, so that is ideal. So guys, we have got to Christmas Eve, very, very exciting. And this one says, in 1893, New Zealand became the first country to allow women to vote. The Shine Lip Liquid in Rouge with argan, jojoba and marula oil in this beautifully festive coral colour. And 25, Christmas Day, is this quite massive one actually. I'm very excited about it. And you have a gorgeous illustration here of a girl studying her algebra, Pythagoras theorem. Let's see if I can get this right. Does a squared plus b squared equal c squared? I don't know, you guys let me know. My dad's a maths teacher, so I'm hoping that there is something behind that. If not, sorry Dad. This one says, Malala Yousafzai is the youngest person ever to win a Nobel Prize. In 2017, she became the co-recipient at the age of 17 for her campaigning for the right to educate all children. I mean, that girl's story is just incredible, isn't it? What a warrior, what a hero, what an amazing girl. And on Christmas Day 2019, you will be opening a full-size shea butter nourishing body cream, which I love the scent of shea butter. I love it all year round. It's like being wrapped in a warm cashmere blanket. It's such a familiar scent to me, such a classic. And the formula of this cream is so whippy and light and absolutely delicious. It's one of my favourites, so I'd be so happy to have that on the 25th of December in box number 25. And that is it guys. I hope you all enjoyed me going through the 2019 Body Shop Advent Calendar. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know what you think of the angle this year, the campaign, the products inside. Do you think it's worth the money? Are you going to be going for this one, the slightly smaller one, or the slightly bigger one? Do comment down below and let me know. Let me know any other advent calendars you would like me to unbox. I'm thinking about doing the rituals one again this year just because I loved that one so much last year. I'll put a video here if you haven't seen that. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. I am on a wait list. So yeah, comment down below. If you're new here and you've just clicked on this video to watch an advent calendar unboxing from the Body Shop, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around and see more from me when it comes to beauty, food, fashion, and all of that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.